In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate elements in Canva with ease. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to add a little extra flair to their projects, making them stand out with dynamic, eye-catching motion. First, you'll need to navigate to your Canva project. Go ahead and open up your Canva application or visit the website in your favorite browser. Once you're there, locate the specific project that you're working on. This could be anything from a social media post to a presentation or an infographic. It's all about where you're ready to add that animation magic. Now that you have your project open, you need to select the element you wish to animate. This could be a picture, a text box, or any graphical element within your design. Click on the item to ensure it is selected. You'll notice when an item is selected as it gives you handles or a box around it, indicating that it's ready for editing. The next step is to animate your chosen element. With the element selected, look for the Animate button, which is usually positioned at the top of your screen or on the side toolbar. Go ahead and click on Animate. This will reveal a variety of animation options, such as fade, rise, slide, and more. Each animation has a distinct motion and feel, so take a moment to hover over each option. As you do, you'll see a preview of what the animation will look like when applied. Once you've found the perfect animation that suits your creative vision, click to apply it to your element. But we're not finished just yet. There's an additional step to perfect your animation. You can adjust the speed of it to further tailor the effect to your needs. Look for the speed adjustment handles. These controls let you decide how fast or slow the animation plays. Simply drag the slider to the desired speed, letting you fine-tune the motion to match the pace and tone of your overall project. When you're satisfied with both the animation style and speed, you've completed the main task. But don't forget, it's always a good idea to preview your work. Use the preview or play function to watch your animated element in action. This way, you can ensure everything looks just right before finalizing. And there you have it. You have successfully added an animated element to your Canva project, enhancing its visual appeal and potentially increasing the engagement and interest of your audience. Remember, animation in Canva is about creatively expressing your ideas, so feel free to experiment with different animations and speeds to find what best showcases your intended message. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!